just getting in here to change out this filter. Gonna shut off my water valve shut off. I have another shut off here for the outlet side. I'm gonna shut that off right now. Then I'm gonna disconnect this line right here so that I can purge out the new filter. It's always a good thing to purge out that the new filter to make sure there's no carbon left in there, and to be sure you got all the air out of the line. And now I can go ahead and disconnect the filter. You can see it. That valve goes right down. Tilt that back up. There we go. Now for this particular filter system, I'm installing the part number is 70-36000-A61. This particular filter has it's for like sand or rust. It reduces rust, sand, dirt, and other particulates. Because this water system here, they had some issues in the past, and there was a lot of particles that were getting into the inlet valve and blocking the inlet valve. So that's why I'm going with this type of filter. Put my gloves on and then we'll get going. Just line up you need to line up your slots. Right up top there, you have two slots right there, two tips, and you're going to line those up with the holes up under here and then just twist. Up and in, and then twist. There you go. Now I'm gonna be sure to put the install date on here, and that way everyone will be aware of when it was installed. Usually put the date on there twice just to be sure they see it. Now I'm going to move to turn on the water, allow the water to fill up, and then I'm going to purge the water through so that we can be sure that that system is clear of any excess carbon or anything. So I just start off slowly with opening the valve and allow it to fill, and then I'll turn on that shut-off valve that I showed you earlier, and then I can reconnect my outlet line. Go ahead and let it purge out for about 10-15 minutes, and then everything should be good to go ahead and connect your outlet line. Just making sure all the air is out of that filter and that it's flowing good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect the outlet line. This line is going up to the ice maker. And then we'll be good to go. I think you can see the gauge, water pressure's back up. I'm going to go ahead and open up the shut-off valve right there, and now we should be all set. And just drying up any standing water so that there's no issues with leaks or anything. And you just want to go ahead and let it run as it is, and I'll go back and turn on the ice maker, and then we should be all set. Okay, so the ice maker's back on. This is a Manitowoc Indigo model, and that's ready to, it's making ice now. So I'm going to go ahead and let that operate, and then we should be good to go. All right, thank you all for watching. Take care and stay well.